Mavericks been thinking deeper about the situation with some of the England-born Reggae Boyz not securing their passports in time for the Gold Cup and possibly the World Cup qualifiers. We understand that the process entails the players presenting relevant documentation of proof of their Jamaican ancestry, either to the Jamaican consulate in England or alternatively to the relevant government agencies here in Jamaica. So this entire process is a Jamaican governmental bureaucratic process. And we're talking about national players seeking to play in an imminent World Cup qualifying campaign. So my question is, why is the JFF not dealing with this thing at the governmental level? Forget the thing expedited. Why does the JFF hierarchy, especially the General Secretary, why instead of trekking behind the team everywhere they go, why don't they actively engage the Honorable Sports Minister, provide the relevant paperwork, and sort out the matter urgently? You think if this was America, or England, or Germany, and baller need passport to try and qualify them country there for the World Cup, you would know that. Quick and fast. Phone call with a Mecan document, sign off, a passport sign and seal, and deliver. Quick and fast. Quick and fast.